Hey there, folks. So, I just wanted to do a quick update episode for anyone who had been following along with my post on YouTube. A couple weeks back, my main computer died. I haven't been able to do any proper development since then. Waiting for hardware to get in to get replaced. Obviously, you can see I'm recording. I've got things working again. Now, one of the things I want to point out, well, go over quickly, I should say, is in those 2 weeks, I had the development itch. Can't see me doing air quotes here, but I had the development itch, and I wanted to work and get things done. So I had a fork of my project, and you can see there's actually quite a lot of new modules I've added in. This is just a quick update before I get the first proper episode recorded. The next few episodes are going to be a little different. They are not going to follow my normal format of I'm writing the code on camera and running through as I go, because I've got a bunch of stuff, as you can see. Like, I've got my buildings, a data factory, which I'll explain in that episode, randomization, I've got a save system, my TF actors are back. There was a lot of work I did just to keep things moving, because anyone who has ADHD, when you get that hyperfixation, you sort of have to deal with it. You can't just ignore it because nothing else happens. Well, I got that. So, what I will be doing, and that's, like I said, it's just going to be for a few episodes. I'm hoping it's only like 4 or 5 episodes total. Depends on how much I can get covered in each episode. But I'm going to just go through and cover some of the things I've done. Like my data factory, I'll break down that. Buildings. There's certain things that are almost a direct carbon copy from last series. So that's like the TF actors. I'll open this up. You can see I have my crop actor. Harvest is meant to be a harvest actor. I typoed there. This is all pretty much the same as it was in the previous series. Buildings, again, these are almost pretty much the exact same. What I plan on doing is 1 or 2 episodes of a brief overview of the minor changes I had to make to fit into the new modular structure. And then I'm also going to do a couple of more in-depth episodes on things like my data factory. I'm not going to go into it on camera right now. The where else? Randomization. This is another one that's pretty much the exact same. Actually, no, it's not. I did completely refactor my randomized actor. But there's a lot of things I've added that are just pretty much cut and paste from the previous series because they fit. I was happy with how they were. So I'll do like 1, maybe 2 episodes where I cover all of that stuff. And then I will do a couple of dedicated episodes that are going to go through all of the additional stuff I've done. That'll be things like the fact I got weather hooked in, my data factory, the save system. This is a major change from how it was previously, and a few other things. So I did just want to get this quick recording out and put up, because I know it's been 2 weeks since I've released anything, and I wanted to get something up just to keep people aware of the situation. I'm hopefully going to have those first couple of like just overview videos out within the next week. I'm going to have a slightly accelerated episodes release, based on what I can do. Like, I'm going to try and get 2 episodes out a week just to get caught up on this. And then from there, we'll get back into the swing of things of the normal I code on camera as I'm doing things. So, but yeah, I just wanted to provide a quick update. Oh, yeah, sorry. I also forgot I made myself a little plugin. I'll explain what this does as well. I'm not really going to go into the code of the plugin, just because it's not anything that I'm going to be providing, but I'll just show you what I set up for it. But As always, folks, thank you for watching. It's meant a lot that my channel's actually grown a bit while I wasn't doing anything, so it shows I'm still being helpful to people. But thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next episode.